This is VI Grade's compact full-spectrum simulator installed at EDAG Engineering in Wolfsburg, Germany. Featuring 4 dynamic actuators, it's perfect for vehicle, tire, and steering development, focusing on ride and comfort. This simulator includes VI-DriveSim and VI-WorldSim, letting test drivers navigate the VI-CarRealTime model on proving grounds, highways, or city streets, and it enables to experience real-time feedback with a genuine electric power steering system, thanks to MdynamiX's SteeringLink hardware-in-the-loop rig. For example, it is possible to test a 235/60 R18-inch tire, morphed into a stiffer R35/50 R20-inch tire using a resizing technology, feeling the difference in cornering stiffness and ride comfort. In another scenario, the simulator allows to evaluate how changing rim diameter and sidewall height impacts driving experience, fine-tuning the ride to suit both the vehicle and the driver. And for steering development, engineers and test drivers can collaborate to optimize steering assist force based on vehicle speed, ensuring perfect on-center steering feel.